And it's Easter Sunday. Now you know why I'm so white. I feel like Madonna in Like a Virgin, touched for the very first time. And my co-host is like, since this is Easter, wherein you pick up your Easter eggs and hunts for bunnies, kaya super colorful. Ako po si Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring ultra maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching The Kitty Show. At ito po aming Easter edition. Palakpakan naman tayo dahil Happy Easter to all.
Yeah.
The Lord has risen. The Lord is so alive. Kaya, sa easy run po namin, sweet-sweetan muna kami ni Kumaring Ultra Maldita. Hindi ba, Mars?
We're always sweet.
Ay, talaga ba?
Of the different kind. Charot!
Yes. So ngayon, alam na natin na lumabas na sa merkado ang wakas at simula album ng Southeast Asian superstar pop group, ang SB19, at talaga namang putok na putok ito at patok na patok. Ano nga ba ang nangyari rito at ano nga, saan ba talaga sila bumongga? Ang isa sa mga kanta ng nasabing album na bago ay ang Emoji na mayroon ng 1.6 million views sa YT at ang kakolaboration nila dyan ay si Jolene na isang superstar ng Chinese pop.
Wow!
Pangalawa naman, ang isa pang bago na collaboration ay ang kantang Toy Friend. Mayroon itong 200k views. Lyrics pa lang ito, mare, ha? Wala pa itong music video. At nakasama naman nila ay ang Be First. At ilan na ang views ng kanilang pangatlong kanta mula sa wakas at simula album? Yung Visa.
The Visa had 4.9 million
Views
views.
already.
Wow.
At saan nga ba pumatok? Sa digital charts pumatok ang album Wakas at Simula. Tingnan na natin. Ito ay nag-top new entry on the worldwide iTunes album chart at number 3. And debuts at number 7 on the European iTunes chart. Album chart after
Reaching
number
number
1 on iTunes in 16 countries and 9 on US iTunes. At saan siya nga nag-number 1, Mare? Pakibasa.
Nag-number 1 siya sa Australia, Azerbaijan, Brazil, Brunei, Canada, Hong Kong, Israel, Italy, New Zealand, Norway, Philippines, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, the Bahamas, United Arab Emirates.
Oh, di ba? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mahalima. Congratulations to Pablo Nace, to Josh Callen Santos, to Joaquin De Dios, to Ken Suson, and Stel Ahero. Mare, what can you say? Kitang-kita na natin sa mga charts sa ibang bansa. Patok na patok at putok na putok ang SB19.
That is not surprising at all.
Okay.
Kasi given their track record, di ba, ang ganda ng ano. And always, tawag dito, Zoring. Di ba? Zoring lagi. Pataas ng pataas. There was not any move by SB19 which had not been, accepted by the public.
Accepted and loved.
It's always accepted. Anything they do, launch an album, do a concert, yung sa fashion
Yung fashion
show, 'di ba? Everything is accepted and well applauded.
Well
diba?
applauded, well supported, at nagsosold out talaga ang mga tickets. At tandaan nyo ngayon, ang laban lang talaga ngayon ng bentahan sa merkado, digital na.
Yeah.
Kaya yung digital charts na yun, when it came out for the first week at number 3, at ang number 1 nun, yung Ari lang ng BTS. Tapos may number 2, hindi ko alam kung sinong talent. Tapos number 3 na agad, Pinoy.
Oo, and it was konting panahon lang yon. Kasi it was launched, 'di ba?
No, March 27 lang.
March 27 lang. Katatapos lang ng di ba? Ng Marso. And yet, 'di ba?
And yet they've reached that heights already. At grabe kasi yung sobrang laking superstar pala si Jolene in the Taiwanese and Chinese stratosphere. Kaya at sa nabasa ko, talagang
Is Jolene a male or female?
babae.
Babae.
They already have this beautiful music video na ang ganda-ganda, ang social. Tapos ang grabe yung dance moves. Talagang pang malakas.
talaga.
Kaya ang sabi ko, congratulations to whoever. It was, I think, Pablo who also composed it. Kasama niya, nag-produce si Ken. At kasama rin nila sa writing credits, I think, si Jolene.
I think, SB19 success can only be, attributed to the group's collective effort.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi, tawag dito, meron sila kanya-kanyang, strength. At doon dinadala yung bawat di ba? Bawat project. Ikaw strength mong choreography, ikaw diyan. Ikaw strength mo yung
Creatives.
composing, ikaw diyan. 'Di ba yung the quintet sila, 'di ba?
Quintet.
The quintet is
Complement.
highly successful because they offer talents. Talagang genuine talents.
Their talents are complementary. At their talents are hindi nagsasapawan.
Yeah.
Walang nagpapayabangan, walang nagpapataasan ng ihi. Talagang magkakapatid ang turingan. And also, I also would like to attribute isa pa sa mga dahilan kung bakit successful ang SB19, yung kanilang fandom na 18. Na hindi lang concentrated sa Pilipinas. Nakita mo naman kung sa ibang bansa sila nagna-number 1, di ba? Marami na rin silang 18 sa ibang bansa. And of course, SB19 will not be SB19 without their fans na 18. And we have to applaud 18 dahil talagang if you are following them on social media, kita mo talaga kung gano'n sila kasipag mag-stream, bumili ng tickets, bumili ng merchandise, at mag-promote, mag-post ng paulit-ulit, paggawa ng mga hashtags, mag-share ng mag-share. So, congratulations to 18. Talagang ang SB19 at ang 18, super deserving ng isa't isa.
Alam mo why they are so successful?
Why?
Because there is no inggit in their katawan, in their bodies. Hindi, pag nag-shine ang isa sa isang nila, wala sa kanila yun. Di ba kasi ang unang nakakasira sa isang grupo,
Inggit
whether you like it or not, is nainggit, ay, bakit siyang pinupush? Ay, bakit sa kanyang sa kanya binigay yung material na ganito, di ba?
Or
sa
bakit mas marami siyang exposure,
Oo.
gano'n. Wala kailang gano'n.
Bakit siya lagi ang lead singer? Di ba? Bakit, di ba, walang gano'n ng grupo? I don't see anything like that sa grupo. Di ba?
At isa pang pwede talagang pagkamulan ng friction, which happened to the Beatles, syempre pababae.
Ano na?
Di ba? Babae. Di ba? The Beatles was destroyed because people are saying, alat si Yoko Ono. Nung naging jowa ni John Lennon. Di ba? But kasi nga, 3 of the boys already have their respective partners. 2 na lang ang wala. And I don't think yung mga girlfriends sila ay nakikialam sa karera.
Oo nga, they
Kasi
always behind the
diba?
scene. Behind lang.
Quiet lang, on the side, supportive. Kasi di ba lang si Yoko Ono kasi parang binigyan ni John Lennon ng creative control sa grupo, which led to the friction. Diba? I may be wrong ha, sa yung mga Beatlemania fans ha, pakicorrect ako. Pero nakakatuwa na I think magkakaibigan yung mga girlfriends. I hope magkakaibigan yung mga girlfriends ni Ken, ni Pablo, at ni Josh Cullen. Kaya walang ganong drama.
At saka hindi tawag dito, hindi nagnanakaw ng eksena yung mga
Yes!
girlfriends. Di ba? Na, hindi kailangan Kasi popular yung yung 5, di ba? O yung 3 doon may girlfriend. So, popular yung 3. But they do not cling to the popularity.
And I would like to believe the reason they don't cling to the popularity is because they have their careers on their own. I don't know what are the careers of the girlfriends of Josh Cullen Santos and Pablo Nase. But si Ken, di ba? Supermodel ang jowa. So may sariling mundo, may sariling angas, may sariling pangalan. So walang dahilan para magkaroon ng friction or apoy sa grupo because
at saka
of
maganda
her.
doon, they were never insecure.
Yes.
The girlfriends.
Yes.
Kasi, popular yung mo. So, siya, tawag dito, magnet for girls.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Pero, wala tayong di ba?
And I guess the reason why wala rin talaga nangyayari is may respeto ang boys sa mga female fans nila. Oo. Diba?
They never flirted, di ba? Parang walang story na gano'n, di ba? Kasi, may intriga lang kunwari nakapag-flirt si ganito, si gano'n, di ba? Tapos
Or
may
nakita
girlfriend pala.
Bibigyan ng ibang special attention sa fan.
Oo.
Oo.
Wala
silang
parang
ganon.
walang ganun sila, di ba? So,
Which is so lovable.
at saka admirable, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi syempre, ang mga band members, di ba? Ay, hindi, paramihan tayo ng di ba?
And we have to take into
Conquests.
consideration that they go to different countries already at ibang-ibang klase ang mga babae sa ibang bansa
Yeah.
as compared to their Filipino fans. Pero talagang alam ng SB19 kung saan lang sila dapat.
Oo, tsaka solid yung we also have to the girls
Yes, their girlfriends.
kasi tawag dito they knew where to stand. They knew where to place themselves. Hindi
Yes.
sila nangaagaw na eksena.
Okay.
Hindi sila atat na, ay, boyfriend ko yan!
Yes.
Di ba?
At we are again congratulating SB19 for the success of Wakas at Simula and of course, of your other endeavors. This is Alwad Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss May Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Easter Sunday episode of the Kitty Show. Tara yan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. At maya-maya, maghanap na po kami ng mga itlog.